A survey of randomly selected students found that out of 10 students, 3 said that their news came from their cell phone. If there are 750 students at Heritage Middle School, how many students can be expected to get their news from their cell phone? So there's our essential question that we are going to focus on with this information. How many students can be expected to get their news from their cell phone? When a survey was given out, the ratio that they found was 10 out of 10 students, 3 said they got their news from their cell phone. At this particular middle school, there are 750 total students. I am going to use a bar diagram so I can visualize what is going on with this ratio. Okay, so I have a bar diagram. My bar diagram represents a total of 750 students. I'm going to take the time to label so I know what I'm talking about in my visualization. And the ratio that I know is 10 students were surveyed. So I need to split my bar diagram into 10 sections. Not stressing over if it's exact. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need one more. Again, not stressing over if it's exact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Out of those 10, 3 said that they got their news from their cell phones. So I'm going to color in 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is cell phone news. Three to a total of 10. So 3 represents the cell phone and 10 represents the total. Okay. We want that to be equivalent or equal to our 750 students. So if I'm going to split up my 750 students amongst all of these equally, that means I'm going to divide. To split something up is to divide. That's what division means. So 750 divided by 10, equal parts. 10 can't go into 7. 10 goes into 75 7 times. And you subtract your 70. You get 5 left over. You bring down your 0. 10 goes into 55 times. Subtract your 50. Get 0. So each one of my blocks represents 75. 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, all the way through. Now I can add 75 up 3 times, or multiply it by 3, or count by 75 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15, carry my 1. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. So, I need to go through and label this. 225 students use cell phones for news. And since there's so much work on here proving my work and showing my work, I'm going to go ahead and circle that.